Hello everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to access the PAL 3.1 system in order to complete the alternative version of the Heart Dissection Lab. You're going to start off by signing into Canvas and clicking on the link to the course. It'll take you to a landing page that should look something similar to this. From there, you're going to click on Modules right here, and there's only a couple of modules to look at. The one that you're going to want is Mastering A and P. This is how you get to the textbook, by the way. And you're going to click Mastering Study Area right there. It's going to ask you to open a new window. After it loads, you should get to a screen that looks like this. A whole bunch of different options. You can access the textbook, study sections by chapter, practice quizzes, stuff like that. We've kind of covered some of this stuff before. We're going to go to PAL, Practice Anatomy Lab. And you'll get to a page that looks like this. Open up the Practice Anatomy Lab 3.1. Now we've got a screen that looks like this, and you've got a whole bunch of different stuff. We're going to look at anatomical models right here. Scroll down until you get to cardiovascular system. From there, you're going to click heart. Now there's a lot of different things that you can do here. We're going to go ahead and stay with self-review, and you can either leave it the way it is right here where you highlight certain sections and it tells you the label, or if you'd like, you can click show labels and it shows all of them. And there are 13 slides. A lot of them sort of repeat, so click through these to find the structures that you need in order to do the alternative assignment that I have listed. You'll also want to use your notes as well. Those will come in handy because you should have a lot of this information in there also. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all again soon.